push system is not the same as a pull system. In order for you to really master pull systems, you must understand a push system too. So let's do just that. A push system is the production or performance of any item or activity performed at required times by a given schedule that has been planned in advance. Many push systems are built mainly to forecast. Push systems can also include issuing material or performing an activity based on a schedule rather than a need. Push systems create excess inventory, which is one of the 8 forms of waste. Remember, a push system means that a company produces goods according to a demand forecast. A common manufacturing environment for push systems is a make-to-stock manufacturing environment. These types of production environments are often used to produce goods that have almost no fluctuation in demand. In essence, push systems attempt to anticipate future demand using historical data. Let's look at an example of using a push system. K&K owns a bakery. Every morning they forecast how much they were going to sell throughout the day, and then they produce their goods. They have tried baking to demand, however, people are not willing to wait for their morning muffin after they have ordered it. So, they bake their products and then put them out for customers to select. This is a push system. Some more examples are MRP systems, building to schedules, APS systems, and of course, forecasts. Now that you know what a push system is, let's challenge your new knowledge. What positive or negative effects might a push system have on an organization? We'll see you in the next module.